Hi, we meet again in English lesson with me, Mrs Faezah. Today, we're going to cover demonstrative pronouns and have got. The objective of today's lesson is that you will be able to describe people, places, and objects using suitable statements, so that by the end of the lessons, that you can write sentences based on the given key phrases that we learned today, which are the demonstrative pronouns and the have got. So, ready for today's lessons? Let's wait no more. Let's go! The first part of today's lesson is demonstrative pronoun. This, that, this, and those. Okay, so I hope you still remember of these demonstrative pronouns. Let's look at the next slide. Okay, demonstrative pronouns. Okay, they are used to show or to point to nouns which is near or far from the speakers. Okay, nak tunjukkan kat mana benda tu. Okay, macam itu dan inilah. Alright. Okay, so now let's look at these four pronouns. There are only four pronouns, which is this. Okay, which is this, that, and those. So what are the difference of these four pronouns? Let's look at it. Okay. This. Let's look at the first one. This. Okay. This is used to point to a singular. Okay. To a singular nouns. Singular nouns. Singular nouns. And it is near from the speaker. So you can say, I like this apple. Okay, singular, near. Next, let's look at that. Right, that. The object is singular, only one, but it is far from the speaker. Ni ada jarak. Far from the speaker. So the correct pronunciation, the most pronunciation use is that I like that apple. I like that apple. Okay, so singular, far is that. Alright, okay, next. If it is plural, here we have plural apples. Okay, plural apples, and it is near from the speaker. So the correct demonstrative pronunciation use is these. I like these apples. I like these apples. Okay, the last one. Okay, the last one is those. Those is, we have plural nouns. Okay, we have 3 apples here. Plural nouns, and it is far from the speaker. Many apples, far from the speaker. So the correct demonstrative pronunciation use is those. I like those apple. Okay, you can remember this matrix lah. Okay, singular, near. Okay, singular, near, this. Okay, singular, far, that. Plural, near, this. Okay, and the last one, plural, far, is those. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so now let's look at the next slide. Secondly, we're going to look about have got, affirmative and negative. Do you still remember what does it mean by affirmative and negative? Yes, affirmative is a positive statement, while negative is a negative statement, the one that you disagree. Okay, let's go. Okay, so these are the affirmative and negative have got. Have got ni maksudnya ada ke? Maksudnya I have got a short hair. Saya ada rambut yang pendek. I haven't got short hair. Saya tak ada rambut yang pendek. Have got ni ada. Okay, but the one that you have to aware, ni lah. Kalau dia plural, kalau plural, have. for plural, have. Okay, for singular, has. This is the only key that you have to remember. Okay, kalau dia singular, look at this one. She has got long hair. And for the negative, she hasn't got long hair. Okay, remember for plural, we have I, you, we have we, and they. And for singular, ada tiga tu je lah. We have he, she, and it. The key yang you have to remember, this one, has and have. Okay. Other than to say affirmative and negative statement, have got juga kita boleh guna untuk interrogative, maksudnya untuk tanya soalan. For example, have you got short hair? If the answer is yes, yes, I have. If the answer is negative, you can say no, I haven't. This one is for plural. Okay, is for singular, you can say has. Here, remember, has. Has he got short hair? If it is positive, yes, he has. If it is negative answer, no, he hasn't. Okay, remember, look at the first question here. Tengok soalan dia. Kalau soalan dia has, jawapan dia mesti has. If it is positive, it mesti hasn't lah. Kalau soalan dia start dengan have, the answer must have lah juga kat sini. Ni pun kalau dia negatif, haven't. Okay, understand? Good. Alright. So these are the tasks for today. You have watched and understand the video. If you still not understand the video, you can tonton semula daripada mula. Okay, tonton semula daripada mula, tengok demonstrative pronoun and I have got to. Tak faham juga, then you can ask me. Alright? Okay, and then I want you to do the activities on your student's book. Buka textbook. Okay, I want you to do number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, number 2, number 3, and number 4 in your E1. Remember to write your day in it for today. Today is Monday, 1st March 2021. Okay, after you have done the activity number 2, number 3, and number 4, okay, I want you to screenshot that page and send to the Telegram group. Okay, and then the third one, to test whether you understand or not today's lessons, I want you to answer the quiz from the Google Form link. Okay, alright. Yang activities ni you kena buat now. Okay, the quiz I bagi tempoh masa sampai hari esok untuk buat. Okay, this one now, this one you can do. The due date is tomorrow. Okay, maknanya hari Rabu tu kita boleh bincang benda lain. You dah answer the Google Form. Okay, alright. So that's all for today's lessons. I hope you have no problems, but if you still have problems, you can reach me at my WhatsApp or you can simply ask in our Telegram group. Okay, so that's all for today. So bye-bye. Have a nice day.